Thank you for clicking on to the Severe Weather Briefing. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Heard. Lots of impacts on travel tonight into tomorrow. And in fact, I'm not recommending travel at all if you can avoid it. We have colder, modified Arctic air dropping back down into Montana, and it's just beginning to move into the Bozeman, Belgrade areas, and this will continue to dig into the entire state. Lows across the state will be below freezing. And because we're expecting some rain changing over to snow and some minor snow accumulations for valleys, bigger snow accumulations for passes, any roadways that are wet will become extremely icy overnight into your early Friday morning. So a mixture of advisories and warnings are up across the state. For Bozeman, we have a winter weather advisory up. We could see an inch or two of valley snow, but rain changing to snow is the bigger concern, and wet roads icing up. Pass levels 3 to 6, and again emphasizing extremely icy roads tonight into Friday morning. And here's where some of the worst weather will be, just to the north and west of Bozeman. A winter storm warning is up now through Friday afternoon. We're going to see 3 to 6 inches of snow for the valleys and possibly up to 8 inches for mountain passes, and that does include Butte. There could be some gap winds, so some strong east-northeast winds in localized areas between Butte, Missoula, and Butte to Great Falls that could generate quite a bit of blowing snow and reduce visibility. And again, travel here, not recommended at all. So interesting when you look at satellite and radar, back out here where we are in the warmer sector in northern Idaho, it's rain. But as it moves up and over the top of the colder air, we're seeing a pretty solid pocket of moisture here from Great Falls to Billings. But that'll sink south-southwestward, that colder air and the moisture overnight. And again, we're going to be picking up some valley snow tonight into tomorrow and picking up additional snow possibly into early Sunday morning. And a lot of wet weather is coming, folks, in the short term and over the weekend. Snow tonight, tomorrow morning, but it could be mostly rain Saturday into Saturday evening, changing over to snow by Sunday morning. And all said and done, over the next 72 hours, we have a solid chance of picking up a ½ inch to 1.25 inches of moisture. So Bozeman, rain, and then changing to snow. That's a bigger complication for traveling for valleys and more so over mountain passes. Look at the temperature profile by early tomorrow morning. We're down in the teens and 20s. The storm's going to break up throughout the day tomorrow, but again, icy roads will be locked in for a better part of your Friday, and then we'll start to see some hit and miss snow showers by Friday evening. But a big push of moisture is coming again by Saturday. So rain changing to snow, that's never a good scenario. That could lead to some pockets of freezing rain, very icy roads, snow accumulations, and wet slushy roads will be icing up into the overnight into early tomorrow morning. We have a live stream up and running right now on kbzk.com. You'll have access to up-to-the-minute radar, up-to-the-minute road cameras. It's running live, and it will through the remainder of this evening into tomorrow. Check out kbzk.com for updates.